Welcome back to Driving with Stu. In this video, we're going to be reviewing the 2022 Ram 1500 Classic SLT package and all the features that come with it. Okay, so you need a truck, but you don't want to break the bank, and you still like to have some nice options as well. The SLT might be the perfect truck for you. Let's dive in. The Ram Classic SLT is the next trim level up from the base Tradesman package. And with that step up, you get a few standard enhancements. Those include body color door handles and front fascia, hands-free Bluetooth with a Uconnect 5-inch display, overhead console, the passenger side sun visor, premium door panels, remote keyless entry, and a few other minor features. The SLT we'll be reviewing today has an MSRP of $67,415 Canadian, so you can tell it's quite loaded up with optional equipment. This truck is powered by the optional 5.7-liter Hemi V8 engine paired with the 8-speed automatic TorqueFlite transmission, a legendary powertrain pumping out 395 horsepower and 410 pound-feet of torque. This truck, as equipped, can tow up to 8,060 pounds, which is a decent-sized boat or trailer, and can go all the way up to 10,110 pounds when equipped with the 392 rear axle. Keep in mind, when going up to the 392 axle ratio, fuel economy is sacrificed in way of towing capacity. On to the exterior. Up front, you'll notice some upgrades from the Tradesman with these chrome grille inserts and the body-colored front fascia. We also have chrome bumpers standard on the SLT package. On the side, we have these 4th-generation body lines that everyone has come to know. And you'll also notice these chrome-clad wheels previously only available in the Laramie trim. So it's nice to see Ram putting this luxury wheel on the SLT package in the new Classic model. Moving on to the back, we have the classic Ram's Head badge right in the middle of the tailgate. We also have our SLT and 4x4 badges. We have the backup camera nicely integrated into the tailgate handle, keeping it out of the way from dirt and road grime. We also have the rear park assist sensors, dual exhaust, and the Class 4 hitch receiver. Now let's see what the SLT has to offer on the inside. Here are the premium door panels I mentioned earlier. Ram has added this nice touch to the SLT to separate it from the lower models. Now in this configuration, we have the front bench seat, which is kind of a funny name for it because we actually have 2 buckets with a 3rd seat here in the middle. You also get a very functional center console with added storage and charging ports for your phone. Moving on to the dash, we get an infotainment system that not only looks great, but is very functional as well. The 8.4-inch touchscreen has crisp graphics and is very easy to use. And Ram has also added your go-to analog buttons below for your climate, heated seats, heated steering wheel, and radio controls, so you don't have to sort through menus while you're trying to drive. On the steering wheel, Ram features this premium leather wrap finish, which pairs really nicely with the heated steering wheel option. Very toasty on those cold winter days. We have cruise control, gear selector, Bluetooth, and dash cluster controls easily found at the tips of your thumbs on the front of the steering wheel. We also have audio controls on the back of the steering wheel, so you can keep your hands on the wheel and eyes on the road while you're adjusting your radio and volume controls. Bonus feature is the 7-inch customizable dash cluster behind the steering wheel that comes as part of the SLT Plus Decor group. A really nice touch and an upgrade from the analog screen you'll find in the lower models. We have this massive crew cab with plenty of room for kids, car seats, and adults. And when you need more storage than seating, fold the seats up easily and you have access to the flat load floor underneath. We also have some added storage underneath the seats and in the floor with removable storage bins like this one. The seats in the SLT are very comfortable and they're wrapped in this premium cloth, which maintains a fairly neutral temperature in hot and cold weather. This is a widely overlooked benefit of cloth seats versus leather seats that a lot of people don't think about. Well guys, that about wraps up this review of the 2022 Ram Classic SLT. I hope you gained a better understanding of the SLT package and what features come with it. If I left anything out, please drop me a message in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to Driving with Stu so I can continue to make great car reviews like this one. Stay tuned for the next video where we're going to cover the Ram 1500 Express package, which is the next trim level up from the SLT. Thanks for watching, and as always, I will see you on the next one.